Hi, my name is Dolores Woods. I am a registered dietitian at UTHealth Houston. Today we're making some date energy balls. These are great for your pre-workout snack. They have optimal ingredients for a great workout. I am going to be adding some rolled oats into a food processor. These are going to be adding some carbohydrates, which are a great source of energy. I also have some dates here. These are pitted dates, and they are sweet. They're a great source of potassium, quick releasing energies, which is what you need for your workouts. I have some shredded coconut, some fat in here, also some different texture. It has a good fat for your workouts. I have unsalted, unsweetened, crunchy peanut butter. It's gonna provide texture, a little bit of fat, which is fine. You don't want too much fat when you're, before you're working out. Also some ground cinnamon and vanilla extract just for additional flavoring. And what I'm gonna be doing is just processing this for about a minute. These are really easy to make. These ingredients are easily accessible. I'm using a cookie scoop and then just rolling them. You really wanna squeeze them so that they come together, but you could see how easy that is. They're portable, which makes it really easy to take with you, especially if you're going on those long runs and you need that extra fuel. And they are delicious, which is the most important part. And just make sure you eat these within about 3 to 5 days. They will not freeze well, so just eat them fresh. And there you have it, the date energy balls. Just make sure 30 minutes before you go work out, you have one of these. You have good carbohydrates from the oats, from the dates, great flavors with the vanilla extract, the coconut, peanut butter, and it all comes together to really provide you some fuel for your workouts. So balance is really important. We don't have to rely on fad diets. There's keto, paleo. All of these are not necessary because they're omitting large food groups. So focus on getting all of the balance, variety, and color into your diet so that we can have all of the nutrients we need for a healthy diet. Also, think about how these snacks can fuel your workouts or just your activity. We need to have something to fuel it before we work out so that you don't have an empty stomach when you're trying to get out there and be active. Otherwise, you'll crash and burn. And don't forget about hydration. Hydration is key. You really want to make sure that you're getting enough water throughout the day. You do not need to drink sports drinks or electrolyte drinks. Water is enough. If you do wait until you're thirsty, you're most likely dehydrated by that time. So sip on your water throughout the day, and a smoothie is a great option for that.